K-tape is a stretchy tape, and you stretch it fully, it goes to 100%, and so we just drop it back to about 80% tension, and just wrap it over the Achilles. I'm going to do 2. Stuff. And you want the tape to cross where the Achilles is sorest. In your case, it's the mid portion. So it's just through here. The reason I like this tape is it's very sticky, and I think it'll survive the salt water better. And then I like to put one just over right down the centre. Again, pull to 100% and then drop. So one up top, and to get it to really stick. Just put one underneath as well.